So guys, I kind of have a problem. See my 3D printers there? Some various stuff. Got some servers down there on the more stuff. But let's just have a look at the rest of the room. Another 3D printer that's really being used for anything. Some, well, it's never really worked. Amiga 1200, various computer parts, boxes, tools. There's my TV and my stereo down there, and my NAS box. Another computer, boxes, various bits and bobs, another small TV which is hooked up to a Commodore 64 right now. Some more old computers, etc. And this, if I move, let's see, move to the other side of the room here, I think we can get a better overview of what's going on. That's where we enter my apartment. And we have all this stuff. This is my living room, by the way. This couch is where I'm supposed to be sitting watching TV or playing computers or consoles or whatever. This is my dining table. And even back here behind the dining table, you couldn't see that before, there's more stuff. So I have a problem because, well, there's another room through here, around the shelves, around the corner here. That's my bedroom slash office, and that's almost as bad. I've even got my big closet in there where I store my clothes and stuff, but I can't actually, if all my clothes were clean at the same time, everything, it wouldn't actually fit in the closet because several shelves of that has been taken up by more computers, Commodore stuff like what we have over here. So I've got to do something. Of course there is some like boxes and stuff I could throw out, and that's fine, but it doesn't really solve the problem. Now there's some stuff I could maybe sell off, just get rid of, but that's not a whole lot, to be honest. Most of it I actually want to keep. But I live on, until this apartment is just under 50 square meters, that's not a whole lot. But I do have one thing going for me. Look up here. The ceiling is all the way up there. You know, it's probably kind of hard to get a scale on this, on a video like this, but that's 3 meters up. So that could be part of the solution. So what I'm thinking is, at least in here, maybe in the other room as well, I want to put up shelving all the way up there, like this is about 2 meters up, maybe a bit more. It's just high enough so I won't bang my head on them, they won't be in the way. But I could get a lot of extra storage space. I'm just having shelves all along here. Let's see, it's probably about 4 or 5 meters on this wall alone. So a row of shelving there could help a lot. But I kind of also want to set up like kind of a workshop type of deal. But I can't build anything, I don't have the space and stuff. And also, well, because I don't have the space in this apartment, I am considering moving in the not too distant future, not like the next couple of months, but I don't think I'll be in this apartment in 2 years' time, let's say, so I don't want to make something terribly elaborate. So now this is my dining table, but honestly I rarely have guests over to to eat and stuff, so I don't really need it as a dining table as such. Not for more than myself and maybe 1 or 2 other persons. So what I'm thinking is I want to get like a big shelf, like those kind of workshop-y, metal, industrial kind of shelving units set up back here in the corner. I could store a lot of space on that, and then move the table up right next to it, and then it will be in the corner there. So okay, you couldn't fit a person in that corner, maybe not even where the second chair is, but you could still have someone sitting at the end of the table and a couple of people on the other side. So still be room for, say, at least 4 people, maybe 5. And then I could simply use this table as my workshop bench kind of thing, where I can screw around with all my stuff. So that's kind of what I'm considering right now to help me get more organized, and also have a more permanent spot for tinkering with stuff. Because right now sometimes I'm doing it there, sometimes I'm doing it on the small coffee table here. Sometimes I'm doing it on my bed because it's the only clear space in the house. So yeah, that's kind of my thinking here. So I think I'm gonna make a small video series where I turn all this, or should I go for the other angle here? I turn all this into, well, first of all I clean it up, and I turn that part into a small workshop. Hopefully I turn this into a sitting area for watching TV and stuff again, which it's not really right now. And then there's a small teaser on something I'm gonna do in the near future down there as well. So I think we're gonna do a small multi-part series, a lot shorter videos than I've been doing recently. So in the next episode, I think I'll try to get the shelf up and the individual the shelving unit up there, and the individual shelf up top there. And then we're gonna do another episode where I organize everything, and the final episode where you can kind of get a lab tour when I have hopefully a lab in this corner here. Yeah, so that's my thoughts. Got any other good ideas how to solve this? Some of this stuff I can move down into a small compartment I have in the cellar in this building, but it's not completely dry down there. It's a bit moist and stuff, so there's like, I don't want to put my old computers down there. They're just gonna corrode, and that's not good. So, but I could move some of this stuff down there, so it's maybe not as bad as it seems. But if anybody's got any other ideas for how you could organize a room like this, how do you live in like a small space like this and still want to have, you know, a lot of stuff. I mean, yeah, you could have shelf up here as well, but I think that the main idea is to really to use the height in here, and then do something with this corner over here where nobody ever sits anyway. Even I have guessed that's the least desirable spot to be in, you know, because you can't really get in and out if somebody is sitting next to you on that chair. So nobody really wants to sit in that spot. So yeah, that's my thinking. That's what I want to do. But if you have any other great ideas, then feel free to add them in a comment, or maybe link some pictures, some videos of stuff you've done yourself to solve problems like this, because you can be the only one living in a limited space and still wanting to do a lot of different stuff. Yeah. So see you in a future episode where we can hopefully get something done about all this, because I'm starting to get sick and tired of this. Because once I clean it up, it's just a month later it looks pretty much like this again. Because I'm just jumping around so many different projects all the time. yeah. That's it for now. Bye guys.